Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use green coffee powder for weight loss. Green coffee powder is derived from unroasted coffee beans, which means it retains higher levels of chlorogenic acid. This natural compound is believed to support your metabolism and help reduce the absorption of glucose in your gut, which can be a beneficial factor in managing your weight effectively. To prepare green coffee powder, simply mix 1 to 2 teaspoons with about 8 ounces of water. Stir it well until the powder is fully dissolved. For optimal results, it's generally recommended to consume this mixture approximately 30 minutes before your main meals. Remember, consistency is key for any supplement, but always adhere to the recommended dosage and do not exceed 2 servings daily. Green coffee powder may offer several benefits, including a potential boost to your metabolism and support for fat burning. However, it's crucial to remember that supplements work best as part of a holistic approach. Always consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. While generally safe, green coffee powder does contain caffeine, which can lead to side effects like jitters, anxiety, or difficulty sleeping, especially if consumed in large amounts. It's wise to start with a smaller dose to assess your individual tolerance. Remember, sustainable weight loss is achieved through a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and healthy lifestyle choices. For those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.